Top drinks to combat cancer naturally. Coffee. Coffee is a rich source of antioxidants and phytochemicals that can protect your liver, pancreas, and colon from cancer. Coffee can also enhance your glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity, which are important for preventing diabetes and obesity, two risk factors for cancer. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world, and it has many health benefits, including lowering your risk of cancer. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, which can inhibit tumor growth and metastasis and modulate the expression of genes related to cancer. Green tea can also reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to cancer development. Red wine. Red wine is another drink that can help you fight cancer thanks to its high content of resveratrol, a polyphenol that can prevent DNA damage and suppress tumor initiation and progression. Red wine can also lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are associated with cardiovascular diseases, another major cause of death. Vegetable and fruit juices. Vegetable and fruit juices are excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients that can boost your immune system and prevent cancer. Some of the best vegetables and fruits for cancer prevention are carrots, tomatoes, oranges, lemons, pineapples, blueberries, and grapes. These foods contain beta-carotene, vitamin C, anthocyanins, and other compounds that can fight free radicals, inflammation, and infection. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is a spice that has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help your body heal from infections and injuries. Turmeric also contains curcumin, a compound that can prevent diabetic retinopathy, a condition that damages the blood vessels in the retina and increases the risk of eye cancer. Turmeric milk is a traditional drink that can be made by adding turmeric powder and honey to warm milk.